Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sonam. When I started my job as an engineer, I finally had the time to start drawing again. I did not have to study or make assignments. I was finally free to do whatever I liked. So I bought a sketchbook, and since I couldn't think of anything else to draw, I took a picture of my office building and drew it in my sketchbook. When I showed it to my colleagues, most of them were very appreciative and they complimented my drawing. But one of them asked, how did I draw it? I told him I just took the picture and I drew it in my sketchbook by looking at it. Then he said in a very unimpressed tone, then what's the big deal in it? Anybody can draw from reference. If you draw it from your mind, then that's art. I got a little offended because I worked really hard on that drawing. I asked him, can you draw from the picture? And he said, no, I cannot draw. And I said, you see, not everybody can draw from reference. I was wrong, I shouldn't have been impolite. But what do you guys think? Is it art if you draw it from reference? Let's think about it. When we first started to learn how to write, did we invented our own alphabets? No, we didn't. We observed our teacher writing on the classroom board and we copied it in our notebooks. It wasn't cheating, it was learning. We learned how to write the alphabets, we learned the words, the sentences, we studied other writers' poems and proses and novels and stories. And after years of studying other people's works, now we are able to express our experiences and thoughts and philosophies. Using a reference can be very important for the learning stage, and you should not shy away from it. And to be clear, just like writing someone else's poetry and claiming it as your own is a crime, copying someone's art and calling it your own is also not very nice. If you copy some other artist's artwork, you must give them the credit and thank them for helping you to study and become a better artist. So, in conclusion, I believe that copying someone's art for learning purpose or for studying is okay, but if you copy it and call it your own and sell it, then it is plagiarism. Right now, I'm telling you all these things, but do you know what I did when that person told me that my creation is not art because I made it using a reference? I believed him. And I thought a little less of me. I decided that for my next drawing, I will not use any reference and I'll just draw it from mind. But at that point, I did not have the capability to draw my imaginations and I couldn't draw anything for several months. There was a huge gap. Later, I realized that I will not learn or improve if I don't draw at all. So, I decided that I'll start drawing again, even if I have to use the crutch of references, because drawing is fun and I just want to keep doing it. And today, that is years later, I still get inspired and influenced by nature and so many art and artists around me. I learn from them, I add my own spice to it, and create something of my own. Earlier, the kings and queens used to pose still for hours while the painters painted their paintings, and they were paid in gold and jewels. Those were high-end pieces of art. They were valued tremendously. Now that the technology has developed, we don't have to do that to our subjects. We can just click a picture and draw it from there. So, my message to all the novice artists listening to me right now is that don't shy away to take inspiration from the beauty around you, and your creation is art, and don't believe anyone who tells you otherwise. And keep creating. That's enough babbling for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was useful for you. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is artwithsonam. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.